Have you ever dreamed of having a Mediterranean-inspired garden? Picture vibrant colors, aromatic herbs, and rustic charm. These gardens are a delightful embodiment of the Mediterranean lifestyle, a perfect blend of beauty and practicality. Imagine strolling through your own Mediterranean oasis every morning. A Mediterranean garden is more than just olive trees and lavender. It's a symphony of colors, textures, and fragrances. At its heart, you'll find drought-tolerant plants, a nod to the region's hot, dry summers. Think succulents, rosemary, or palms. Gravel paths, often lined with pebbles or seashells, offer a practical and aesthetic solution. And let's not forget decorative items like pottery and fountains, adding a charming touch of rustic elegance. With these elements, you can begin to create a garden that feels like a Mediterranean paradise. Designing a Mediterranean garden doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some simple steps to get you started. First, choose the right location. A sunny spot with good drainage is ideal for a Mediterranean garden. Next, select the right plants. Consider plants like lavender, rosemary, and olive trees that thrive in the Mediterranean climate. Then, add decorative elements. Think about incorporating terracotta pots, gravel paths, or even a small fountain to capture the essence of the Mediterranean region. Finally, it's all about maintenance. Regular pruning and watering, especially during the dry season, will keep your garden looking its best. Follow these steps, and you're well on your way to creating a Mediterranean garden that's uniquely yours. Creating a Mediterranean garden may seem like a big project, but with some planning and creativity, you can make it happen. Remember, the key elements are the right plants, the use of vibrant colors, and incorporating natural materials. So why not get started on your own little slice of the Mediterranean right at home? It's a fun, fulfilling project that brings beauty and tranquility to your space. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening!